I started to open this and realize what it was. So before I peel this bit, I wanted to do a quick unboxing of some products from Murad. So this item was gifted. My skincare channel has existed for over 10 years, and vitamin C is one of my favorite products, especially in the morning. You can use them morning or night, but I prefer in the morning because it's a great antioxidant to shield the skin. I was actually running out of vitamin C, which was the Sunday Riley, the best I've ever used. This has a lot of competition to beat. If you're interested in this review, leave me a comment with any orange color emoji, and I will get that reviewed after at least a few weeks of use. Let me know if you're interested. I've got some samples, which is a great thing when you buy direct from Murad. I'll have links down below as well. As mentioned, this video isn't sponsored, but it does support the channel if you do use my links. This is the targeted wrinkle corrector from their Resurgence range. The testers are a great way to try a product that you may not want to pay in full or buy the big format straight away. Personally, I love it for travel. This is for deep set wrinkles, areas that you're really concerned with. And all the packaging is recyclable. This is the Retinal Eye Treatment. I don't have a specific one for the eye, so this is great. I'm going to keep this in the reserves. I don't actually have currently a specific retinol product for the under eye. If you have used this yourself, let me know what your experience was. Right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.